Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable the power backdoor. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your dashboard. Here you can navigate by using the arrows on your steering wheel. Let's enter here the settings. So let me highlight settings and press OK button to confirm it. Then you need to scroll down a few times until you see the vehicle settings. If you tap vehicle settings, you can now enable or disable the power backdoor. So in my case, it was enabled, but I can also turn it off. Why you should turn it off? You might turn it off if you are in a garage with a very low ceiling and you want to open the trunk manually to prevent it from hitting the roof. If you turn it on, you can open or close the trunk automatically using the button on your key fob, the button on the dashboard, or the switch on the trunk lid itself. So it depends on your needs. Sometimes it's safer to turn it off, but of course most convenient thing to have is to enable this feature. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.